What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another review. I know y'all see the Jordan 1 box. We got the Bred toe ones. You got the typical Jordan 1 box. Black with the Nike. And we got the Jordan 1 Bred toes. You got it's similar to the Bred ones, except you got the white on the mid panel right here. It's like a off-white. And the midsole is also like an off-white seal color. You got the red on the toe box with the black around it. Black swoosh. The Air Jordan Wings logo. Red on the heel and the ankle. It's a little soft. You can see it. Black here. Medial side. And you got the nylon tongue with the red Nike Air. On the insole, black sock liner, red Nike Air. Red outsole, the Nike and the swoosh. Black laces. And they come with an extra pair of red laces right here. So what y'all think about these? These are not shattered backboard quality. They try to imitate it right here. This doesn't feel nothing like the shattered backboard mid panel. I know they have different variations of on the same size. I could have two 9.5 and they will have two different type of quality. But these are nothing like the shattered backboard though. But they are dope. You got the black and red colorway. That's a classic colorway. And these wasn't easy to get. I only hit on the Foot Locker app. Champs didn't have them. And Foot Action, I didn't hit on that. So let me know what y'all think about these. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the On Foot.